Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super handy topic: how to charge your virtual credit card on Booking.com in 2025. If you're planning trips and want to keep your payments secure, virtual credit cards are a game changer. They act as temporary cards linked to your real account, helping you avoid fraud and manage expenses easily. By the end of this video, you'll be all set to handle your bookings like a pro. Let's jump right in. First things first, what exactly is a virtual credit card? It's a digital version of your credit card that you can generate through your bank's app or a dedicated virtual card service. In 2025, most banks have upgraded their apps with AI-driven features, making this process seamless. Start by opening your banking app and navigating to the virtual card section. If you don't have one, look for an option to create a new virtual card. It usually takes just a few taps. Once you've got your virtual card ready, log into your Booking.com account on their website or app. Search for your desired hotel, flight, or activity, and proceed to the payment page. Here, select the credit card option and enter the details from your virtual card, like the card number, expiration date, and CVV. Make sure your virtual card has sufficient funds or credit limit. You might need to transfer money from your main account if it's not already loaded. Pro tip: in 2025, Booking.com supports biometric verification for added security, so use your fingerprint or Face ID to confirm the transaction. After entering the details, double-check everything to avoid any errors, then hit Confirm Payment. You'll get an instant confirmation email, and your booking is good to go. If you run into issues, like a declined transaction, ensure your virtual card is activated and not expired. Always check for any regional restrictions or additional fees that might pop up with virtual cards. That's it for the steps. Simple, right? Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more travel tech tips. Safe travels in 2025. See you in the next video.